Oh, hey, how you doing? Listen, it may be intimidating to talk to a manufacturer, but you shouldn't be afraid. You see, we're just like you. Our job on a daily basis is to make stuff. Your job is to envision. And so we're going to work together. Hi, I'm Hartie Spence. This is the third in the series of videos about bringing your product to market. Here's the point. I'm taking away the fear of you calling us. There's no reason for you to be intimidated. We're normal people just like you, and we want to do our job, which is to make your next product. One way or the other, though, you need to get your point across. This is a team effort. And we're not expecting you to know everything we know, and we're going to work together to make that happen. If you do have a CAD file, and you can provide those files in the native CAD geometry, that's terrific. If not, send us a step file, that's STP or STEP, or an IGES file, or perhaps you only have two-dimensional prints, which typically these days would be in a PDF or a DXF or DWG file. I cannot tell you how many times I talk to people that have been thinking about an idea or concept for years, and they just don't know how to get started. And that's the sad part, because getting started is as easy as picking up that phone or sending us an email or writing us a note or filling out a form on the website. You may think that, gosh, we're like a bunch of car dealers that are going to hound you to death. We're not. Just because you filled out the form doesn't mean you're going on a mailing list. When you fill out the form, it gives us an opportunity to start a conversation. And we can begin that short road to getting you a product in your hand that you can use to open up a new market. We're here for you. We're waiting for that phone to ring. Thank you for your time. I wish you the greatest of success.